Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial. Uh, Today I'm going to share with you how to create a ottoman. Okay, uh, so let us start. I'm going to create a rectangle here which has a side of 700. Specify other corner or dimension that I'm going to type D for the dimension, and then specify length for rectangles. So I will input 700 mm space, and then specify width for the rectangle, so 700 mm again. So you have there. Okay, so the I'm going to create another rectangle here for the stand or the footer. I'll just type again D for the dimensions. I will input 100 mm, and then for the length, and then 100 mm for the width also. So I'm going to copy this one. I'll just select this little rectangle here, or circle. No, a square, and I'll just input CO for the copy, shortcut key. This ways. Then I'm going to bring this square here. Then select these two. Type CO for copy command. Okay. So next thing to do is extrude this for the squares for the footer, just like this one. No? Okay. So I'll just select all the four little squares, and then extrude there. Select, or I'm going to input shortcut key, which is AXT, and then the space. So automatically it extrudes, but you need to put height. So I'm going to put a 20 mm, or let's just say 50 mm height. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this larger or bigger square to the top of this footer. I'm going to extrude this one also, AXT, or just select this one, and then I'm going to input the height. So height would be 200. I'll just make it 100 mm. Okay. Then I'm going to create another rectangle here, and then extrude, or I'll just copy this one. Okay, and then since this is only 100 mm in height, so I will drag this one to 200. Okay, so I'm going to bevel this one, or uh, what do you call this, fillet edge. So I'll just type fillet edge, or you can select also the fillet edge at the edit group of commands. So I'll select an edge or loop. So I'll just select this loop. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then I'll input reduce. For the reduce, I'll just type 20 mm. Okay, so I have already here the beveled or fillet objects for the Ottoman. So this one I'm going to fillet also. I'll just type fillet edge, and then I will select the edge. The radius would be also 20. Let us repeat. No. Fillet edge. Then select. Right. Okay. I'm gonna orbit this one. Let us try 3D orbit. Just type 3D orbit so that I can, oops, the drawing or the, okay, so let us move this one. And 3D orbit again. Okay, seems like fine. Let us try the fillet edge again. And then select the edge. And select this edge here. And this one. Okay. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm going to input or put the materials for the objects. Let us type RMAT for the materials. Okay, so I'm going to select leader for the, and I'm going to select this one. Just drag this one or drag the leader. Okay. Let us 3D orbit again, and let us take a look around. Okay, so there you go, a Ottoman. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and like my video tutorial. Hope to see you again here, or hope to see you commenting my video soon. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you and God bless.